Difference between orbit and orbital. An orbit is a well-defined circular path around the nucleus in which electrons are revolved like a planet revolves around the sun. Coming to orbital, an orbital is the region of space around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum or more. An orbit represents the two-dimensional motion of electrons in one plane. An orbital represents the movement of electrons in three-dimensional space. An orbit is designated by small alphabet n. N values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, or K, L, M, N shells. Orbitals are designated by S, P, D, F, G, H and so on. An orbit accommodates maximum 2 n square electrons. Here n is a orbit number, that is principal quantum number. An orbital accommodates maximum 2 electrons with opposite spin according to Pauli's exclusion principle. So in s orbital maximum 2 electron and p orbital maximum 8 electron and d orbital maximum 18 electron and f orbital maximum 32 electrons. Shape of the orbit is fixed, that is circular, and it is a non-directional. Different orbitals like s, p, d, f having different shape. S orbital having spherical, p dumbbell, d double dumbbell, f complex. Except s orbital, all orbitals are directional. P orbitals are px, py and pz orbitals. D orbitals are dxy, dyz and dzx and dx square, y square, dz square orbitals. Orbit is against to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, but orbital is according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle is at a time position and velocity of electrons cannot be determined exactly. So an orbit means the position as well as the velocity of the electrons can be known with certainty, and in orbital it is not possible to find out the position as well as the velocity of electron with certainty. Orbits also known as shell or energy levels. Orbits are represented by small n, values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and orbits n having n square orbitals. So first orbit having 1 orbital, second orbit having 4 orbitals. So first orbit orbital is 1s orbital and second orbit orbitals are 2s orbital, 2px, 2py and 2pz orbitals.